I was sent a 15-piece kitchen knife set. This is what it comes with. So let's put it together up here, and then I'll take you guys into my kitchen and we'll cut up some fruit with it. Each piece is individually wrapped, and there is also a safety around each knife, which is great. That's what they look like. There's also a safety tip. I appreciate that as well. You can tell they're nice and sharp. I love that sleek black color on them. Nice. You even get things like a peeler, stick knives. You're gonna get a really nice pair of scissors that also has a bottle cap opener on it. I haven't seen that. And then also an opener right there. Sharpener, and the sharpener comes with a little chain on it. Not sure where we hang that. I think that just goes in a drawer maybe. Okay, we're getting to the bigger knives here. Good grip on them. The biggest one. One with a serrated edge. And one more steak knife. All right, now that I've set it up, let's take it down to the kitchen and cut with them. So simple to slice through. Wow, that was beyond easy. Gosh, you know it's a good knife when it just is simple. Perfect cuts. I think you're gonna love this kitchen knife set.